Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Power Pivot and preparing clean tables. Open Excel, add Power Pivot via add-ins, then restart Excel if needed. Next, convert each dataset into an Excel table using Ctrl+T so relationships and refresh work reliably. Make sure columns have consistent data types, dates, numbers, text, and remove blank rows or stray spaces. Once done, verify primary keys or unique identifiers exist. You'll need them to build relationships. This setup prevents common model errors later. You'll now load tables into the data model and connect them. From each table, choose Add to Data Model or use Get and Transform queries to shape data. Open Power Pivot's diagram view to drag and drop relationships between unique keys. Cardinality matters. One-to-many is common. Once connected, add calculated columns with simple DAX to standardize fields, then create measures for aggregation. Make sure to name measures clearly so your pivot tables read naturally. This reduces confusion when building visuals. You'll finish by creating measures and surfacing insights. Write DAX measures, sum, average, calculate with filters, to compute metrics. Test each measure in a small pivot table so results match expectations. Then insert a pivot table from the data model, add slicers and columns, and use drill down to validate behavior. If results look wrong, make sure to refresh the data model, confirm data types and uniqueness of keys, and re-examine relationships. Fixing those usually resolves calculation or filtering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.